Okay, here 7 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times 5 minus 1 in bracket. Here 7 plus 8 is 15 times 5 minus 1 in bracket. Here 15 times 5 minus 1 is 4. Here 15 times 4 is 60 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 60 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here, multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also, this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now, we are going to solve this problem in the correct way by using this order of operations, PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations, PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation here. 7 plus 2 power 3 times, here bracket is 5 minus 1 is 4. The next priority is exponent. Here we have exponent, so we have to do this exponent before this addition and multiplication. So 7 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times 4. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 7 plus 8 times 4 is 32. Here 7 plus 32 is 39 is the correct answer.